So, dear Robby, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining the hackathon. It has been quite a journey for us. You have just joined us today as a jury. What are your first impressions until now? How have you been experiencing the whole thing?
First of all, I love to come. It's really, first of all, it's cool because we have the NEAR protocol here, which is a new modern blockchain protocol. We're in Vienna. The weather is beautiful in a way, and we have a lot of people who are interested in blockchain development. Plus, the topic is nice. It's also linked to Sustainista, so it is the sustainability aspect. So it's blockchain technology, sustainability in Vienna. That's good mixture.
Exactly. It's at heart of Europe, I would say. And the story of the sustainable development we have been following as Sustainista so far in the last couple of years is there is a huge market and huge need there. But until now, crypto, you wouldn't, as an end user, as a consumer, you wouldn't connect crypto topics with sustainability because everything, consumes that much energy. I think therefore the NEAR protocol is something very unique in the market that they have been very active on this end. What are your takes regarding the NEAR protocol as far you got into that?
First of all, we have Bitcoin consuming a lot of energy. It's criticized for that, and I think it's right, yes. But Bitcoin brought us the technology. Then there is the second protocol, Ethereum, which is used by industries. I work a lot with industries using this blockchain for proof of concept and for MVPs, but it still has also an energy problem. Exactly. They want to solve it. And the NEAR protocol, I think, they solved it already, and they are much faster than the Ethereum blockchain. They have transaction times of 1 second, which Ethereum cannot deliver yet. They have certain advantages, and we will see, future will show, but there are a lot of applications, and we have seen here on this hackathon excellent examples of sustainable projects.
Exactly, so our major focus was for this hackathon, not only the sustainable topic or challenges that we would face usually, but also the tech and kind of crypto aspect of it, because with a protocol as such, you can do a lot of things, right? It's kind of an open end, for lots of development. So how have you been experiencing the challenges? Are they worthy enough for at that pace of the time and complex or?
I have seen bakery applications, solar solutions, something with Twitter and NFT, and so there are 11 teams participating in this hackathon, and I think all of them got the message right that there is sustainability plus blockchain is an important part, and I think that's what it is about. We have to find a way to use blockchain for sustainable projects, like in the energy field, in the mobility, in building our cities, and by using this new layer, and NEAR protocol is the so-called layer 1 protocol, which is, we talk about internet now. That's the next level, is this layer 1, where we can transfer values and we can use the technology, and especially for energy, mobility applications.
I think that a couple of challenges are from this era today, so you will be very thrilled to see them pitching their ideas. One core component of this whole hackathon was also the Vienna app event, which is a startup event of city of Vienna. Together with the business agency, they have been promoting it. The teams are pretty much looking to solve exactly energy related issues that are directly connected to the city. Where do you see in upcoming 1-2 years the major challenges in crypto field? So will it be in this field specifically, or do you see kind of a vast amount of topics coming towards us?
Let's talk energy. Let's talk energy. I mean, we have wonderful applications, peer-to-peer energy trading, for instance, where you, from your solar panel on your roof of this building, maybe you can trade to another company your electricity. But we have not enough smart meters. So the blockchain is there, the application is there, but one of the lag is the hardware, smart meters, which are able to calculate and measure the electricity going in and out of a building. This is about to come, and there I see a lot of future, because in Europe, this smart metering, for instance, in the energy field, is progressing. First point, and second point for the crypto industry, I think protocols. with a sustainable approach, with low energy consumption, they will succeed, they will prevail, because the ESG targets have to be met and addressed. So there is no way, and definitely we have protocols like this. And plus, on board here is Riddle & Code, excellent coding company. We have the Vienna Business Agency, linked to the business side, Sustainista, linked to the sustainability side. So it's a really excellent mixture of organizations helping to make sustainable projects.
I mean, the major focus is as well from Sustanista's point of view, the community that NEAR actually brings in, which is in a certain way unique because it is approaching, the majority or newcomers to this, open field of development. So together with for NEAR, with NEAR, we are looking forward to develop the community actually in Austria and Central Europe. I think it will be flourishing, and hope you to see being part of it somehow.
Yes, I mean, what I think is, one shall not be afraid of blockchain as a coder or as a non-coder at all, because here maybe 50% of the people are non-coders, or just they know to code but not to code blockchain. Because using blockchain is quite easy once you're into it. And from the business side, you have to understand what's the business application, and for that you don't have to be a coder. You don't have to be a coder to use the internet and use WhatsApp. You just use the thing. So that's, I think, very important and very good to know. And the message is, blockchainers, yes, it's important. We need the core coders, but don't be afraid to enter this space, because I think blockchain will stay. The technology will stay. It will be important in the future, and the more years pass by, even more blockchain will be an important part of our life, as it makes the internet possible to transfer values, which we couldn't do in the past.
Yeah, with the sustainability approach, we are seeing as well, one of the core challenges since a while is the so-called greenwashing from companies, and the technology is there to somehow get things done in different way, that you authenticate companies NFT on an NFT basis, or ensure that this greenwashing cannot happen as it has been happening since last decade. So that's our one of the major focus, and I personally think it would be very interesting together with you, with the community in upcoming months and years, look into these kind of topics, thrilling topics that are on the table. Yeah. And thank you for being here.
Thank you very
Robby,
much.
Yeah? And do you have any message for the community, for the NEAR community or Sustainista community? It's all the same, but
for the community, of course, I have the message that the message is, don't be afraid of blockchain. It's a simple technology, actually, once you are into it. And for you and Sustainista, I want to congratulate for a really nice event and a wonderful happening. Plus, it's the future. It's the future. So if you don't know about blockchain technology, as a coder or technician or business from the business side, it's a very good idea to have a look into it, because I think we will need this approach and this technology in order to overcome these climate change challenges.
Exactly. Happy to do it, and thank you for being part of it.
You're welcome.
Looking forward for more.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Robby.
you.
Yeah? Thank you.